In today's video, I am going to teach you how to watch movies for free. We're focusing on safe, legal options that are supported by ads, so you won't need to pull out a credit card. Most of these services work on phones, tablets, smart TVs, streaming sticks, and in any modern web browser. So use whatever device is most convenient. Expect occasional ad breaks and keep in mind that some titles may vary by region. Start with Plex. It offers a huge library of free on-demand movies and hundreds of live television channels. Open the Plex app or go to the website. Head to the Movies and Television section for on-demand picks, or explore live television for a channel surfing experience. You don't have to create an account to start watching, but signing in can help you keep a watch list and resume across devices. Use the search and genre filters to quickly find something that fits your mood. Next, try Sling FreeStream. Launch the Sling app or visit the site and choose the FreeStream option. You can jump right into thousands of free movies and shows without registration or a credit card. Browse by categories like action, comedy, or family, and look for carousels highlighting what's trending. If you decide to create an account later, it's just for convenience, not a requirement. On YouTube, head to the Movies and Television tab and look for the Free with Ads section. This is where you'll find a rotating selection of films you can watch at no cost. Use filters to narrow by genre or rating and check descriptions for content notes and runtime. If you don't immediately see the Free with Ads shelf, it may be due to regional availability. Vudu, also known as Fandango at Home, includes a clearly labeled free area. Open the app or site. Select Free, and then filter by genre or release date to zero in on exactly what you want. Look for Free with Ads badges on titles. Availability can vary by location, so your selection might look different depending on where you are. Tubi is a standout choice with a massive library that includes both popular hits and cult classics. Open the app or website and start watching without signing up. If you want to save favorites or keep track of progress across devices, you can create a free account later. Some content is specific to certain areas, so selections may change when you travel. Finally, Pluto Television combines hundreds of live channels with an extensive on-demand movie section. Open the guide to browse live channels, or switch to on-demand for movies you can start anytime. As with others, some channels and titles are available only in specific regions. Enjoy exploring and happy watching. Thanks for watching.